Mom, I can assure you that I'm fine, at least at this moment. Somebody may find this memory card after I've flown to Oz, and maybe I'm not so fine. But holy crap. Look at those low-lying clouds. What? Huh? It's because of the wind. Look at that. Look at that gust front. Those clouds are ripping through the sky. I apologize to my neighbor if this makes it on any of the news channels that your house is going to be famous. Sorry. I apologize to our neighbors if this makes it on the news channel. Their houses are going to be famous. And here comes the rain, folks. Sounds like just big, fat, heavy fucking raindrops just blasting the ground. Where?
It just hit me, all the rain.
Well, of course it's going to hit you. Whew. As I stand here, the rain is blowing in my face and my glasses. Oh, do you hear that? I think you do. If not, you're going to hear it soon because we're going to get hit with hail. There you go. Take a listen. There are about 45 water spots out on Lake Erie right now. For those of you that don't live in Cleveland or haven't lived in Cleveland in a while, the rain is coming from both the north, the east, and the west at the exact same time. I can barely hold the camera. Not that bad. It'll be fine. Turn the light on. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a ton of water just pouring in, and I don't know why.
Oh, south. That southern.
All right, move. Sorry, gonna have to redo it. Better than nothing. Better than ruining the wind or the wood. And here comes the hail. You gonna go check the bedroom window, or you want me to? All right, this concludes this video. Bye.